Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal, and in this video we are going to solve what is 15 divided by 5 plus 2 half. So let's start with today's video solution. So it seems to be tricky, but it is not. So 15 divided by 5 plus 2 half. First we'll write it 15 divided by 5 plus 2 half means 2 times 1 by 2. Now, according to BODMAS rule, where B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So we will first solve the bracket, and in bracket it says 15 divided by 5, which is 3, plus 2 times 1 by 2. Now we'll solve the multiplication part. So it will cancel out, and 1 times 1 is 1. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. So 15 divided by 5 plus 2 half is 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.